Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to see blur blend. Are you ready? Let's get started. When B and L are together, it says blur, blur, blur. See some words beginning with blur sound. Blur, blur, blink. Blur, blur, blast. Blur, bloom. Blur, blur, blouse. Blur, blur, blow. Blur, blur, blocks. Blur, blur, blade. Blur, blur, blanket. Blur, blur, black. Blur, blur, blue. Let's try to read some more words. Blood, blur, blood. Blur, blind. Blur, blame. Blur, blend. Blur, blank. Blur, blunt. Blur, blush. Blur, blog. Blur, blur. Practice these words. Thank you for watching.